This is on the way to that valley number 4. And as I started covering these plants in this west coast of Karnataka, Dakshina Kannada, some very nice ferns I come across. And climbing ferns are a bit rare. And here I got a wall with numerous specimens, and two of them, which often confuse me, are growing side by side together here. This one is having that serrated leaves, the other one is this one. This one, it's started here on top, and then from there it has started and then drooping downwards, hanging downwards, and then this from the side, two of these stems are emerging all together. That side one, this side one, like two, two, two. Then the leaves are looking like this, and some of the bigger leaves, that's a bigger leaf. Then the shoot, in some parts, I think the tender leaves are more, the newer ones have this serration, and the older leaves are not having it, and this one is just beginning to get it, first one. So that's one identifying feature. Then the second one is this one. It's growing side by side, growing next to each other, and the plant size is also similar only. This also, this is also starting here only. I think they're sprinkling the coconut farm inside, so these walls must be dripping some extra moisture. And these ferns like full moisture. That's one thing about them. They can't tolerate harsh sun. And this is a second variety what I was talking about, where all the leaves are serrated. And the most mature leaves are here. Even the more mature leaves, they're still retaining that these serrations, what they, for the spongy, to make those spores. So I'm not sure whether it's the same species or they're two separate species. And I must say they have a great grace, these ferns. So two ferns I've showed. Then this one looks a bit different actually. It looks, maybe this is a third variety. But it's a third variety or the same, I don't know. So some 2 or 3 varieties are there here. This one, this looks the nicest when this that serration is there on the leaves. Then apart from that, also some other interesting plants are there, but I will keep it for another day. This wall is covered with Selaginella in the monsoon. Lot of these climbing ferns are there throughout this section. There's one more here, more there. Only thing is, getting the correct identification is quite a task. because you need a proper trained person. There's one more here. So some are having that serration through and through, some are having it halfway. And then leaf shape also little bit variation is there. There's one leaf that looks quite different over there. That one, oldest leaf I think. Anyway, it's two of these climbing ferns. And I haven't succeeded in growing them also. I tried one or two. Need to find out what is the trick involved. There's one more very nice specimen here. So these have great garden potential for talented senior gardeners. Very nice. And the color is so fresh and beautiful. So that's a video on a wall full of numerous climbing ferns.